Guys, and today we are going to start the basic of array. We can explain I can explain everything here. So here you can see that all the example of array, I can explain every example of array. So here is the difference. Here is the definition of array. Array is the collection of similar data types crammed under one name. It also called vector value. We can access or differentiate all the elements in array using index value. This concept is supported by many programming language. So we here is the here is a sorry. So here is the declaration of array. So now here is the 5 element, and the other one is the third element is 15, because we can start the index values. First index value is not defined. So here is the printed the garbage value are 0. So and the second index value is 15, because we can declare the element of 2 is 15. So the array is printing is 15. So the output is 0 0 0 15 0 and 0. And the second, some ways of declaring and initialization of array are as follows. Int a5, and here is the 5 elements we can declared. I think it's all the elements are garbage values. Int a5, and there is the 5 element 1 2 3 4 and 5. And so here is the printing so here is the declared all the elements we should print. And second one is, and the example second one is a5. Here is the 5 elements, and 2 4 is declared, and the other is the 0 0 0. And you can see that the other example is 0 0, and the other elements are 0. And the other one is first element is 0, and the other is also as 0, because there is not declared other elements. So the other elements are 0. int a, and int a, here is no declared. So this is code is correct, there is no error. We printed automatically is 2 4 6 8 and 5. You can see that the array is 2 4 6 8 and 10. To access all elements in array, we can traverse through if, for example, a5 2 4 6 8, and the other is 0. It's also automatically printed 0. So output is 2 4 6 6 8 and 0. This is the output of this programming. The element inside the array can be accessed through the subset or throughout the pointers. Here is the example of pointers. We can this output is 8 4 8 6 6 and 6. This is the output, because a2 यानी कि a2 this uses pointers arithmetic to access the element at index 2 of array a, which is 6 1. ये 0, here is 0 1 index 2 and 3. So and the other is the output is, and the other output is 2. So this is the equivalent to array of 2 index, यानी कि 6. So we will print it, the value is 6 4 times 6, and the other one is output is 4 4 6 6 and 6, because the element at index 2 of array a, which is always 6. So first element is 4, and the other elements are printed is 6. And here is the output 2 4 6 8 and 0. 2 4 6, 8 and 0. This is the output you have. Thank you for watching.